So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to transfer money from Trust Wallet to your Binance. So first, you need to open your Binance application, but if you don't have one, just simply visit their website and enter your credentials for you to able to log in and access your account. And then navigate to the wallet section, and once you're in, under the overview, click the add funds button and just simply click the deposit crypto under the I have crypto assets. And once you click in, just simply utilize the search bar for you to able to search for the USDT. And once you clicked in, make sure that you choose the right network for you to able to receive your cryptocurrency and it doesn't float or it doesn't lose. After that, you need to copy your wallet address and then open your Trust Wallet app. Once you open it, just click on the send button right here. And once you click in, just click the proceed anyway if you're not yet backupping your secret phrase. But after that, you need to click the USDT and make sure that you will click the USDT in correct network as well. And after that, you need to paste the wallet address that you copied from the Binance earlier and set an amount you wanted to send. And then, if you finalize the amount, just simply click the next button and confirm your transaction. And that's how you transfer money from your Trust Wallet to Binance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.